Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our Bloom and Blossom card kit bundle that'll be featured on HSN on May 2nd. This is a great bundle for stamping, die cutting, and making card sets. Let's take a look at what's included. First up, we have this 4x6 paper pad. Now this is all hand-painted watercolor designs, but what's unique about this paper pad is that it's designed to actually work with the dies and stamps in the bundle, and we'll take a look at that. The first die and stamp we have is this Thanks a Bunch. So this is your stamp area down here. You have the Thanks a Bunch sentiment and your leaf swag. And up here you actually have some framelits that cut out the phrases, but some bonus Thinlit shapes are also included. That bonus Thinlit shape allows you to cut out these leaves to make them pop up and become interactive and three-dimensional. So you get a whole new option of look for your leaf swag. Remember when I said that the dies and stamps worked with the paper pad? Well, this Thinlit Framelit combo is one of the first examples. This is a sheet from our paper pad, and up here you can see how the die interacted with the leaves painted on the page to make it three-dimensional. Super cool. Next up, we have this Thinlit Set. This actually gives you two design options. So you're able to make a round positive shape, or again, you're able to use it with that paper pad and cut out a negative shape inside of those flowers. That's perfect to place a sentiment. And lastly, we have our 3D embossing folder. This gives you a beautiful all over rose pattern that is perfect to use with the dies and the stamps in the rest of the bundle. So all in all, a really strong bundle with paper pad that interacts with dies and stamps. This is our Bloom and Blossom card bundle. Join us on HSN May 2nd.